All right, YouTube peeps, we're on Q28, Wednesday's homework. A number has the digits 2, 5, and 4 to the nearest hundred. The number rounds to 200. What is the number? I'm going to say 245 is going to round down to the nearest 100. Find the difference between 719 and 225. We'll do old school method. We haven't done this in a while. Place value method. 9 minus 5 is 4. Uh-oh, can't take away 2 from 1. So you got to look to the rich neighbor. You're going to borrow 1. Now it's 11 minus 2 is 9. 6 minus 2 is 4. 494. Place value strategy. Let's see, zooming in. A doctor sees 42 patients in 6 days. Put a box around the question, circle the numbers. All right, so now most of you are seeing 42 divided by 6 is 7. Hopefully you're at that point. If not, you got to make 6 days. And then you got to pass out 42 patients. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You got to keep passing out patients, and then you'll realize that there are 7 X's in each box. Right? You got to draw a picture. Best thing to do is just memorize your multiplication facts. 42 divided by 6 is 7, because 7 times 6 is 42. All right, let's see. Find the product. You guys can use a multiplication chart for that. Use an array to okay, so we have 4 times 3 is 12. That's one multiplication problem. The other one is 12 divided by 3 is 4. Rosie split 25 marbles into 5 jars. Her brother gave her 10 more marbles to divide evenly into jars. How many marbles does she have now in each jar? Okay, put a box around the question, circle the numbers, underline the words that help you understand what to do. All right, now there's a couple different ways you could do this. I'm going to figure out how many marbles she has altogether after her brother gave her. So she has 25 marbles, and then her brother gives her 10 more. So she has 35 marbles. Remember, the division sign means shared among 5 jars. So what times 5 is 35? 7. 7 times 5 is 35. If you don't know what times 5 is 35, then you got to make 5 jars like that, and then you have to pass out the marbles. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 30, 31, 32, 33. And then you count, boom. You're going to realize that each marble has 7, each jar has 7 marbles in it. All right, we have the area of an irregular figure. I'm going to cut it here. You can use your hand to see it. 6 times 2 is 12. Use your hand so you can see the other one. Now the question is, do I use the 4 or do I use the 6? You don't want to use the 6 because that's this whole side. You just want this. So you're going to go 4 by 8 is 32. 32 plus 12 is 44. right, moving right along, we have a picture graph. The key thing here is to look at the key. Each bowl of ice cream is worth 2 students. First thing I want you to do is get rid of those pictures and convert it to numbers. So we have 2, 6, 2, 4, 4. That's going to make it a lot easier to solve the problem. Convert the picture graph into numbers. How many more how many more? That tells you it's a subtraction problem. How many more? They want to know the difference. Chocolate, then vanilla. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. How many less? That's another subtraction problem. How many students like strawberry? How many? Then Rocky Road. Rocky Road is 4. Strawberry is 2. Final answer, 2. Snuck it in there. All right. So once again, we have the area of an irregular shape. You want to break it up into 2 normal rectangles. We have 35 divided by 7. You can either memorize your multiplication facts or you got to make 7 circles and pass out 35 marbles. You have an array, which is going to turn into a fact family. 42 divided by 6. If you don't know what 42 divided by 6 is, then you got to make circles. All right, hopefully that helps you with your Q28